Natural light is one of the most valuable elements in any home. It makes spaces feel larger, brighter, and more inviting while also improving mood and comfort. For homeowners in Mandeville, where a warm and welcoming atmosphere is essential, bay windows are one of the most effective ways to maximize natural light while enhancing both style and functionality. Bay windows are designed with 3 panels, a large center window flanked by 2 angled side windows. This unique structure allows sunlight to enter from multiple directions, unlike flat windows that only capture light from one angle. The result is a room that feels more open and filled with natural brightness throughout the day. One of the biggest advantages of bay windows is how they expand the reach of natural light. Because of their angled design, they capture sunlight at different times of the day. Morning light may enter through one side, while afternoon light streams in from another. In Mandeville homes, this means rooms stay brighter for longer periods without relying on artificial lighting. This increased light can completely transform the feel of a space. Rooms that once felt dim or enclosed can become vibrant and inviting. Living rooms, dining areas, and kitchens especially benefit from this effect, as they are often central gathering spaces. A well-lit room not only looks better but also feels more comfortable and enjoyable to spend time in. Bay windows also enhance the quality of light in your home. Instead of harsh, direct sunlight, the angled panels help distribute light more evenly across the room. This creates a softer, more natural glow that highlights your interior decor without overwhelming the space. Furniture, flooring, and wall colors all appear more vibrant under this balanced lighting. Another benefit is the way bay windows create a visual connection to the outdoors. By extending outward, they offer wider views of your surroundings, bringing more of the outside environment into your home. In Mandeville, where greenery and outdoor scenery are often part of the landscape, this connection adds to the sense of openness and tranquility. The additional space created by bay windows also contributes to how light is experienced in a room. The outward extension allows sunlight to reach deeper into the interior, illuminating areas that might otherwise remain shadowed. This makes the entire room feel more spacious and evenly lit. Energy efficiency is another advantage that works alongside natural light. By allowing more sunlight into your home, bay windows can reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. This can help lower energy usage and contribute to a more efficient household. Modern bay windows are also designed with energy-efficient glass that helps regulate heat, ensuring your home stays comfortable while still benefiting from increased light. Customization options allow you to maximize these benefits even further. You can choose different glass types, such as low-E coatings, to control how much heat enters along with the light. Frame colors and finishes can also be selected to complement your home's design, ensuring your bay windows enhance both the interior and exterior appearance. Placement is key to getting the most out of bay windows. Installing them in areas that receive the most sunlight, such as front-facing rooms or open living spaces, ensures you capture the greatest amount of natural light. Thoughtful placement allows you to take full advantage of Mandeville's sunny days while maintaining comfort indoors. Bay windows also add a sense of warmth and charm to your home. The combination of natural light and architectural depth creates a welcoming environment that is perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Many homeowners use the space as a seating area or decorative nook, further enhancing the room's functionality. Maintenance is simple with modern materials, allowing your windows to stay clear and bright with minimal effort. Clean windows allow more light to pass through, ensuring you continue to enjoy their full benefit over time. Ultimately, bay windows are a powerful way to enhance natural light and improve the overall feel of your home. For homeowners in Mandeville, they offer a perfect blend of beauty, functionality, and comfort. If you're looking to brighten your living space and create a more open, inviting atmosphere, bay windows are a smart and stylish investment. With the right design and placement, They can transform your home into a space filled with light, warmth, and lasting appeal.